All right, so let's talk about this new drill bit set I got. This is the Bosch brick and block set. This comes with 3 1/8-inch, 2 5/16, 3 3/16, 3 1/4-inch, 1 5/16, 1 3/8, and 1 1/2-inch bit. I'm not going to use this on hammer mode. This is going to be on regular drill mode, which I believe is recommended with these bits. I've got a block here today. I'm going to show you how this works. I have the 1/4-inch bit in here. So let's start drilling holes. And just like that, it goes through like butter. Love these bits. Everybody needs a set of these in their box. Pick some up. They're great.